Okay, so in this video, I'm sorting my car out. I'm just about to put some filler on. So I've just blocked the side of the car, which I'll show in a second, and I've got some low spots, so I had to put some more filler in. So I thought I might as well do a video, show you how I mix the filler. So the filler I'm using is a lightweight Mipa P12, really good stuff. So I made a mistake when I bought this, and I bought a massive tub accidentally, so this will last me forever. So what you've got is, you've got your filler, your tub of filler, and you've also got some hardener as well. So I'll bring the camera in and I'll show you how I'm going to mix it. Okay, so pardon my hands because I've just dropped a load of guide coat on the floor by mistake. So all you need is an onion board. Okay, so all these from Amazon or anywhere else. Try and get these as clean as possible. It's a clean scraper. I'm going to apply that filler to there. And then all you want is, also remember, the more hardener you put in, the quicker it's going to dry, and then you get streaks in it. So be very careful, make sure that you're ready before you put this on. There. About the size of a pea, that's all your hardener you need to put in. Make sure you close your filler again so you don't get any contaminants inside. And then you want to go in a figure of 8. Like that. Flat it out. Like that. And you want to keep going until you don't see any more pink. If you're doing this and your filler remains pink, it means you put too much hardener in. And what you've got to be careful of is you don't want to introduce too much air into the mix, into the filler. Okay. Also, don't forget this is now mixed with hardener, so it's going to go off pretty quick. I wouldn't say it'll go off pretty quick, but it'll become hard to spread. Now ideally you have one scraper for mixing, and then you have a bigger one for laying it on the car. I haven't, unfortunately, so we'll just use that one. I'll use another one. In fact, I'll get a new one just to make sure we've got the best chance possible of doing a good job. Okay, so let's go to the car. Okay, so all you want to do is get a small amount. Ideally you've got a bigger scraper, and I just want to, in this case I've got a little indentation there, and I've got one here as well, so I'm going to start by these first. Okay, that'll do. Oops. Don't worry about putting too much on because it's quite easy to take off, to be honest. And what I'm going to do, because I've just blocked the car, I'm going to go over the dark patches because that's where my low spots are. Okay, so normally you try not to work it too much. But I know that one's a little bit deeper than normal, so I need to fill it in a bit more if I can. Okay, so if you notice on the swage line, I've gone straight across, and then on this bit here, I've just gone at an angle. So I'll do that first. I'll do that. There we go. Okay, that's it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to wait for it to dry and then I'll sand it a little bit just to make it smooth, and then I'll guide coat it again. I'll go over it again. I'll keep doing that as many times as necessary to get nice and smooth as possible. That's it for this video, guys.